What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Weeb Psycho TV. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. Before I start, I want to say thank you for all the support I'm getting with my channel. Through your support, I've finally reached over 100 subscribers, which is crazy to me. I never thought I would reach more than 10 subs, to be totally honest. Thank you all. For all the people who aren't subscribed to the channel yet, go click that subscribe button down below and smash the like button. It only takes 1 second and it really helps my channel a lot. By the way, I see all your guys' comments. Thank you all for your suggestions. I'll try my best to get to them all. Maybe even make a few videos about them and give the recommender a shoutout. Alright, I've talked enough, let's get this started. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Weeb Psycho TV, where we explore the world of web novels together. As you can probably see by the title, the genre for this web novel recommendation is apocalyptic. On a web novel platform, I would say there are only a handful of decent ones out there under this genre. I decided to choose this one for this video because it's still ongoing and has a lot of great potential. Even though the story is quite young and has only a couple hundred chapters at the time of this recording, you will immediately get immersed in this book. It has all the great ingredients for a good web novel. Survival, system, no harem, evolution, and the most important ingredient is the MC isn't a wuss and gets stuff done. There are a plethora of web novel main characters being naive and portray childish behavior, but I promise you guys, the MC of this novel is not one of them. He is a prime example of what the main character should strive to be, in my humble opinion. I bet you guys are going crazy by now and just want me to tell you the title of the web novel. Okay, fine, here you go. The title is The Oracle Paths by Arkenslize. This book is Arkenslize's first original work, but he's doing a great job as his first novel. Hats off to Arkenslize. It currently has 264 chapters and the author averages about 7 chapters a week, which isn't bad at all. Its rating is 4.8 out of 5 stars and has 2.8 million views. The book is about Jake Wildreth. I think he's in his early to mid-20s. He's a highly unmotivated and unambitious individual. This takes place in the future where technology has advanced, but because of disasters that happen at the beginning of the book, the Earth is on a downward trend to chaos. Suddenly, one day, a mysterious silver spaceship appears from nowhere, delivering to each Earthling a bracelet containing an AI introducing itself as the Oracle, changing human life forever. The Oracle device has 3 main functions. Guidance, which coaches the user by providing rewards, drawbacks, and risks associated with a certain task. Second, able to give predictions and steps to achieve an outcome. And lastly, Shadow Guide. It displays a self-double showing what you have to do to achieve something. This may sound like a total hack to have in life, but remember, since everybody has the same thing, it can only be used as a tool. They still have to make their own decisions and decide on what path they want to take. Jake does his best to try and survive in this new world where Earth is opened up to a whole new universe of potential threats and enemies, but also opens up growth as a species. With great growth comes a great risk that humankind has to take to survive. You'll see Jake fight to survive, achieve some gains and some loss in his development. Jake's no hero, but he's not a bad guy either. He's not a naive hero like we see in a lot of web novels, which is quite refreshing. He does his best to develop and change himself so he can become as adaptable as possible to survive. He even changes his species, which I think is pretty cool. The plot is very solid and realistic. Well, as much as it can be because it falls into the sci-fi genre. The author tries his best to have no major plot holes, which every reader can appreciate. When the apocalypse happens, there's a lot of character development that happens to Jake, which is necessary. People change when their survival is jeopardized, but it cannot be abrupt and has to have something to set it in motion and a period of change. I know some of you guys might turn away because there is a system because it promotes lazy writing and opens up massive plot holes. The author does his best to keep it to a minimum, and the system isn't used too often to move the plot along but uses other plot devices. Pro tip, give it up until chapter 30 to decide if this book is for you or not. You may think 30 chapters is too much to find out if you like it or not, but you really need to bear with it because the author builds up the world so well it'll be worth it. That's all we got for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with The Oracle Paths being the best ongoing apocalyptic web novel of 2020, or if you have any suggestions of web novels to talk about for the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to let me know that you enjoyed this video and would like me to make more videos like this. Thank you for all the support. Till next time.